English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. At the kitchen. Hi, honey. I'm nearly done with dinner. How was your day?
It was fine. How was yours?
Great. I need that spatula over there. Can you please hand it over?
Sure. Where is it exactly?
It's right there. It is in the top of drawer. It is next to the other utensils.
I see the whisk, ladle, meat pounder, and tongs but no spatula. Maybe it is in the dishwasher.
You're probably right. Please check for me.
Yup, it is in the dishwasher. Found it. Here it is. By the way, how does this new garlic mincer work?
It works like magic. It is my favorite kitchen toy. Honey, can you please send Jeff down to help me set the table?
I will. Jeff, how was school?
It was great. How was work, Dad?
Fine. Hey, please get downstairs and help your mother set the table so that we can eat dinner together.
I'm on it, Dad.
Yes, I'm happy that you are here to help me, Jeff.
Of course, Mom. This food smells delicious. And guess what? All set.
Wow, Jeff, that was record trimming. You are faster than a bolt of lightning.
That is so true. Need anything else, Mom?
Actually, I do. Please grab the water pitcher.
Where is it?
It is in the cupboard, next to the mixing bowls.
It must have been moved. It is over here, behind the blinder. Is this the one that you want?
That's the one, thank you.
This dinner smells amazing. I can't wait to eat.
You don't have to wait. Dig right in. Enjoy, boy.
Thanks, honey.
Thanks, Mom.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.